What just happened to me?
You got foxed.
Boxed. There have been the same main players out for a long time, and all of a sudden, Amazon Aurora, shows up not out of nowhere because we knew Amazon was working on something, but I think the results have been tremendous from increased throughput, increased overall speed and agility. What is it that you're looking forward to or most excited about for our clients as we migrate them, say, from MySQL 5.6 into Aurora?
They built something that's going to run extremely well on the environments that they have designed and built. And you're going to get much better performance out of that than out of some other sort of open source tool.
The migration is much more seamless than it would have been even just a few years ago. What are the things that we're looking at from a client perspective if we're going to consider migrating a database over?
Using Aurora, as a MySQL sort of native ingester, if they're already using MySQL, we can move it right over, right? And that's one of the advantages. But also using the database migration tools can sort of help deal with some of those things. They'll highlight the particular issues and problems that we're going to see in doing the migrations to make that a lot easier. It really is making sure that we're meeting the needs of the customer, because there's a lot of ways to sort of skin the cat, as it were, and Aurora is going to be a good tool set that matches a lot of the needs that customers may not have understood before.
There's other tools that Amazon has recently introduced that can combine with Aurora to even increase that throughput further. The one I'm thinking of is Amazon Kinesis.
We have one customer that we're talking to that's one of their problems, right? High volume, I mean extremely high volume. We're talking 18,000 to 20,000 transactions a second. How do you deal with it? And they're growing. So they want to grow exponentially. So they want to take that from 18 to 20,000 to 40 to 50, 100,000 transactions a second, and being able to deal with that. And Kinesis is one of those tools that allow them to actually be able to scale at that volume.